Okay, are we rolling?
Take one.
Hey, welcome back to Feeding R5. We need something simple and ready to go in minutes. And so that's what we're working on today because I don't know about you, but my husband's getting hangry and I'm getting hungry. Anyways, all right, so what we have here is we have pork carnitas from Sam's and frozen cauliflower rice veggies, some lime, and some cilantro. That's it. Simple, easy, and maybe some seasoning. So we'll probably use some garlic and whatever else we think of. But for now, we're going to just rinse and cut up our little bit of cilantro. I'm actually getting this ready for to put in the pot to season. I have my pork carnitas already in my Ninja Foodie that I am sauteing right now. I love cilantro and I love citrus. Those are just things that I pair together often, especially with garlic. I'm hoping to get my chicken recipe out. I take one of my mom's recipes that she made growing up as a kid and I just tweak it a little bit, but I love it and that's what we're going to marinate later. All right. I've rinsed this already and I'm going to take this and this over here. All right, so we've got it sauteing on high and it is just getting everything browned and nice and heated like you see here. So I'm going to remove all the meat. All right, now I'm gonna leave a little bit of the tidbits in the bottom. And for seasoning purposes, I'm gonna keep that going on saute and I'm going to add, and it's on high again, so I'm gonna add my cauliflower rice. Give it a quick stir. All right, so I have onion powder, garlic powder, and you can use chopped onion, chopped garlic. This is just quick and easy for me. I'm also using a little bit of Uncle Chris's gourmet steak seasoning. We use this on a lot of things. And then chives. All right. Now, as that is simmering and flavoring, I'm actually going to use the lime zest. Trying not to get, you can see it's removing the green, but keeping the white. You don't want the white because it's kind of bitter. But lime also gives a lot of good flavor. So I love using the zest and as well as the juice. And it kind of gives you that cilantro lime rice. That's the goal here for our carnita bowl. All right. All right, so I'm taking a half a lime and I'm going to squeeze that in here. And then add my cilantro. And again, it's really up to your liking. You can add more, you can add less. I apologize in advance for not measuring. We just don't do that here. You know, there's some things that you just got to fill it out and learn by taste, learn by trial and error. And I seem to like to do that often. So it drives my husband crazy, but he's learning to deal with it. Okay, while my rice is cooking and flavoring up, I'm just going to take some forks and I'm going to shred a little bit of this meat just so when we put it all together, it can be more like a burrito bowl, or you can add whatever you want to this, but we try to keep it as low carb as possible. So with the exception of some things. I mean, my husband does like rice every once in a while. So his will be with rice, but mine's going to be with cauliflower rice. Don't knock it till you try it. It's actually really good. And who knows, maybe I can convince him to try some as well. Baby steps. We're all on this journey together, but we are all at different levels. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now it's time to put our bowls together. Don't judge me for using the same spoon, guys. I do it. And we're gonna top our protein. Now, if you were my husband, you would be measuring all this protein and weighing it out and making sure it's just the right. And by all means, you do you. It's definitely beneficial to do that. But just learning, and when you're hangry, you just do it. So I'm giving myself the protein. I've got my cauliflower rice, and I'm topping it off with guacamole. It's actually just from the grocery store. One big old dollop. That looks amazing. So now the taste tester, my favorite part. Okay, the lime really enhances the cauliflower and the texture of it because it's cooked in a sauteed. It actually has the texture of rice. So I don't know, can I sneak it into my husband's plate? Will he know the difference? Maybe. It's not as long as rice is, but the flavor is definitely still there. Enjoy.
Hey, you there. If you're still watching this video, hit like and subscribe. Go ahead, do it right now. Yeah, that's the button. Turn on your notifications so we can notify you when our next video drops. You're not going to want to miss these next recipes. And hey, if you're trying to better your health, leave the comments below. We want to encourage you. I want to encourage you. You know what, guys? That looks like rain. I better get inside. As you can tell, the wind is picking up and I don't want to melt. See ya.